Good evening, everyone. I'm speaking today on behalf of many parents and families who feel unheard in the decisions being made in our district. It's alarming that from a 100,800 LCAP meaningful parent engagement, none of it is designated for meaningful parent engagement. The cancellation of meetings like Coffee with the Principals has limited our opportunities to voice concerns and collaborate. It feels as though our participation isn't valued, and that needs to change. I also want to address the raise for Dr. Gina Potter to $300,000 a year. With schools in desperate need of resources and high suspension rates at San Isidro Middle School, for example, it increases our students' need more teachers, better programs, stronger support systems, not higher administrative salaries. The promotion of Mr. Bojorquez to Assistant Superintendent of Student Services is also concerning. Though he's been with the district for over 30 years, longevity isn't enough. His lack of special education experience and defensiveness when questioned about support for English learners raises red flags. We need leadership that prioritizes students' needs. Lastly, the 2023 LCAP survey revealed critical issues. Only 24% of staff and 36% of parents rated our facilities positively, and 40% of students have experienced harassment, bullying, with 50% seeing weapons on campus. Our children deserve better. That's why I'm asking for you to support to reconsider the policy preventing the formation of a PTA. A PTA would give parents a stronger voice to improve communication, safety, and accountability in our schools. Lastly, I want to thank the Director of Early Education, Mrs. Pretzer, for doing everything with love. Thank you for bringing so much effort into making our CDC Smythe a better place for our students and families, and for working collaboratively with parents. She may be new in San Isidro, but she is a great asset to our community. Shout out to Ms. Yadira Martinez and her students for winning class of perfect attendance at the CDC Smythe, and shout out to the parents who show up for their kids every day. They have a sign outside of their classroom door that says awesome attendance. Polly the bird is at the parrot is at their classroom, and all those students received a gift certificate for Little Caesars. Great incentives, we have to start them young. Way to go, Ms. Pretzer. She's a great example of a balance between doing her job and listening to her community, all while encouraging parent participation and input. Thank you for not canceling your meetings and for offering it via Zoom for the working parents, and lastly, for making us feel heard, respected, and letting us have a voice. Thank you.